Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Chase for a new credit card, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Chase website at chase.com. Click on the Credit Cards tab in the menu. Browse through the available credit card options. Select the card that best fits your needs. Read the details and benefits of the selected card. Click on the Apply Now button. You will be directed to the application form. Enter your personal information as prompted. Fill in your full name, address, and date of birth. Provide your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Enter your income details and employment information. Review your financial obligations if required. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Submit button to complete your application. Wait for a confirmation that your application has been received. You may receive instant approval or further instructions via email. If approved, follow any additional steps provided by Chase. Review the credit card agreement once you receive it. Activate your new card as soon as it arrives in the mail. Start using your new Chase credit card responsibly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.